Hello everyone and welcome back to Chimera Wargaming. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a stunning Grimdark winter basing effect using several products from Green Stuff World. We'll be building a realistic snowy scene, but with a dark twist that will transform an ordinary winter base into a brutal battlefield. Let's get started. The first step is adding some roots to the base. These roots will help create the impression of a cold, lifeless winter environment. Small details like these can make a huge difference, adding realism and storytelling to your miniature's base. Once the roots are securely in place and completely dry, we can move on to the ground texture. For this, I'm using Winter Earth Crackle paint from Green Stuff World. Apply it across the base wherever you want frozen cracked terrain. As the paint dries, it creates natural cracks that perfectly simulate frozen ground during the harsh winter months. This effect adds a lot of character and helps establish the atmosphere before we even begin adding snow. After the crackle paint has fully cured, it's time to prepare the surface for our snow effects. To do this, I'm applying Green Stuff World's Tough Glue. Spread it evenly across the areas where you want the snow to accumulate. This adhesive creates a strong bond and ensures that the snow materials remain firmly attached to the base. Now comes one of my favorite parts of the process. Using snow powder, we can begin creating the first layer of snow. Sprinkle it generously over the glued areas and gently tap away the excess. Immediately, the base starts to look like a frozen landscape covered by fresh winter snowfall. Already we're getting a very convincing winter effect, but we're not finished yet. To add more depth and realism, I'm now applying snow texture. This product helps create a three-dimensional appearance, reproducing the look of fresh snow that has recently fallen and accumulated on the ground. Rather than appearing flat, the snow now gains volume and natural variation, making the scene far more believable and visually interesting. At this stage, the base already looks great and could easily be used for a winter-themed army or display piece. But today we are going a step further. This is where the Grimdark magic happens. Using Green Stuff World's blood effect, I'm carefully applying splashes and stains directly onto the snow. The contrast between the bright white snow and the dark red blood instantly tells a story. Perhaps a battle has just taken place. Perhaps a wounded warrior crossed this frozen landscape, or maybe something far more sinister is lurking beneath the snow. Whatever story you imagine, the blood effect transforms a peaceful winter scene into a dramatic and atmospheric battlefield. This final touch creates a powerful focal point and gives the base a much darker, more cinematic appearance that works perfectly for Grimdark miniatures. And that's it. A simple but highly effective technique for creating realistic snow mixed with battlefield blood using Green Stuff World products. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful for your own hobby projects. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next tutorial. Bye everyone!